Hi, my name is John Canada. I'm from Frisco, Texas, and I'm on the Body by Vi Challenge. And right now, my initial goal on the Project 10 was to lose the initial 10 pounds. So we started at 231 pounds, and we're going to weigh in now and see where we are. Starting off at 0. And we are at 220.6. So there it is. I lost it. Lost my initial 10 pounds, which is big. Actually, it's the first 10 pounds on Project 10. I actually started my challenge at 247 pounds. So to date, I've lost 27 pounds. But for Project 10, obviously, I lost 10.4 pounds. So I lost it, and hopefully you want to join the challenge with me. Contact me for any questions you have. I can be reached on Facebook, Twitter, or just call me anytime on my cell. Talk to you soon.